conference in Denver with a good friend I know for many years now, James Betzold of Prima.Law. Case management software, forms, and a lot. And it always, it's like when I say you guys do forms, like when people say immigration lawyer just fill out forms, I feel like you guys didn't file immigration. It's like offensive. Yeah. So I don't want to say you guys do forms, but why don't you fill us in on what you guys are offering, especially 2025? What new things you guys have?
Sure. So we actually have a whole case management portal. So we like to tell our clients or potential clients, you don't need to use a spreadsheet. You don't need to use something like Monday.com where you're putting a bunch of different services together. We have it all built in, so it keeps track of case status. You can quickly filter the list and see what are the cases that are waiting on the law firm? What are the cases that are waiting on the government? What are the cases that are waiting on my assistant? Do I need some more accountability or to get the loan? So we have that. We also have some AI features that are coming out. And what we've decided to do is to build the AI features that are going to give the most buffering. So what we decided to do with AI, and you can see there's a lot of booths here offering AI services, but a lot of the larger models now, they're trained on all the world's data, including the legal data. So we say, let's find a way to save the attorney more time.
Yeah.
So we have a case review feature. So you can upload a completed petition. You say, hey, verify this for internal consistency, verify this for eligibility even, and it'll catch the paperwork errors. There's a
spelling, that's a big one.
Yeah, because it'll compare the birth certificate with how you put it on the form. So if there's a discrepancy, USCIS is very particular about that. Yeah. But it catches all that. Errors on even the method of payment. Catch all that. So
that's it seems really menial, but like for us, just consistency and like the names be spelled different forms, or like dates of birth like being off a little bit. If it's good to pick up on those, it's like very simple stuff, but it saves it because like people make errors. Especially when you work on a case a lot and you see the name, you kind of eyes start blurring to what it is.
Right.
That's a really important. I don't know. It seems like a off thing. I was like, oh, it's not a big deal, but it's for us. At least our firm is fair to say it's a big deal that I consider that. You have multiple layers of review. If it cut down on that, it'll save so much time.
Exactly. And then you just automate it. I mean, you still have to review it as internal.
Yeah.
Instead of going through a 500-page application, wondering, did I get the name spelled right on every single page? You can focus on that.
Wonderful. If you want to reach out and get to know more, what's the best website to go?
Prima.Law.
Wonderful. Thanks so much. Good seeing you again.